Hello! In this video we're going to be assembling this car. The assembly process for that, take your clippers and stuff, cut away the sprues. So we're just cutting away and then cut away this sprues and support plastics. Alright, there's that piece. Here's these wheels, tires, and all the sprues from there. I'm working with the HO scale. So if you get it at a larger scale, it should be easier. If you get this HO scale or smaller, it should be about this difficulty level, which is not bad at all. Alright, so we freed up the tires. We have all these plastic pieces. You know, this support is here. Be clipping away at that. All right. Alright, then there's this, and this. Whoa. Alright, so that process is done. Now let's start the gluing together process. Most obvious and easy step. So, getting some glue here. Stick and let's get this piece glued together. And I'm using the flat surface to help me with that, to align it. And that's good. All right, once that's glued, then go ahead and get some glue on these axles here. In fact, I'm gonna go ahead and get all the glue out that's needed. All right, the most simple is these back tires. That, and then put that one there. Done. Now it's these. You can kind of just place it into place. There you go. This one's available. The link is in the description. It's available at miniaturetanks.com. Thank you so much for watching.